I am Pragati Patil
And I'm Chanchal Jethani
from Tirupura Institute of Management Education,
and we welcome you all to TimeTube, your one stop for all things Tirupura.
and for the next few minutes we'll be giving you some insights about our event Erudition.
Erudition is one of our annual event which focuses on enhancing the managerial competency of MBA graduates. This is an intercollegiate event and MBA students from all around Nagpur participate in it to showcase their talent. The exciting and unique part of Erudition is its unique event within a span of over 2 days. The judges are invited from the industries to help the students gain input about current trend in different management streams. Experiential learning is the main idea on which the entire event is based upon. The events are industry oriented and the tasks given to the participants allow them to get a feel of corporate world.
This year, Erudition was organized on 3rd and 4th May in Tirupura Institute of Management Education. We had 4 events: Time Tank, Why Should I Hire You, Revival of Old Products, and Balance Sheet Analysis. Time Tank is our very own version of Shark Tank, where participants had to pitch their business ideas to the judges. In Revival of Old Products, participants had to design a marketing campaign for relaunching old products like iPod and Walkman. Why Should I Hire You gave participants an opportunity to brush up their interview skills as they faced interview in front of an audience.
Judges for the event were executives from corporate fields such as Mr. Himanshu Desai, Asita System P Limited, Mr. Rajneesh Shahu, a senior sales manager, HDFC Limited, and Ms. Akansha Agrawal, director, SDPL, to name a few.
Most of the MBA colleges in and around Nagpur participated in the event. There were total 53 entries in the event. Total 86 students were participants, out of which 44 were girls and 42 were boys. Organizing committee of our own students comprised of 50 students of MBA. 10 faculty members were involved as various event in charge.
So now the question arises that when there are Myntra, Flipkart and Amazon, like big marketing sites, then why one would choose Vegas? So it is a B2C online shopping that has everything that you need for a formal event, and it is the one-stop destination for all your office needs. There is nothing left in this website that you need for your office need. It can be your shoes to your hair clip. Everything is involved of a quality, in a good quality in this website. It is specially designed and totally dedicated platform, especially for corporate people and office-going people. It is convenient to use, it has exciting offers, you can compare the prices of the products, it has variety of options, no product pushing, and also it has genuine customer reviews.
आपने मशरूम को क्यों चुना कॉफ़ी के साथ चुना है? मशरूम की बहुत सारे लोग जो है मशरूम से भी प्रॉब्लम है, कॉफ़ी से भी प्रॉब्लम है, अपना कस्टमर बेस कम कर रहे हैं।
कस्टमर बेस से मशरूम हेल्दी है क्योंकि ये आजकल जो होटल में जाते हैं तो सब मशरूम की सब्जी भी ऑर्डर करते हैं लोग। आजकल देखा मैंने वहाँ से देखा कि मशरूम लोग खाते हैं ऐसे, तो मुझे लगा कि मशरूम यूज़ कर सकते हैं। मुझे बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट लगा क्योंकि ये हेल्दी प्रोडक्ट है। इससे ब्लड शुगर लेवल, आजकल बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम लोगों के दिमाग में आते हैं और वेरियस डिसीजेस लोग होते हैं, तो ये अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है, इसलिए मैं इसे मशरूम यूज़ कर रहा हूँ। और हायर लेवल ऑफ मशरूम यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, लोअर लेवल ऑफ कॉफ़ी क्योंकि, और इसकी कॉफ़ी की टेस्ट भी चेंज नहीं होनी चाहिए क्योंकि लोगों को कॉफ़ी की टेस्ट अच्छी लगती है, इसलिए कॉफ़ी की टेस्ट भी अच्छी नहीं होनी चाहिए, उनके हेल्थ के साथ भी खिलवाड़ नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए मैं मशरूम को यूज़ कर रहा था।
Event ended with prize distribution ceremony where 2 participants from Raisoni College and SB Jain College shared their experience for Erudition.
On behalf of all the participants, I would like to first thank Tirupura Institute of Management and Education for organizing such an amazing events. We learned a lot here, and also we are immensely grateful for this opportunity and the warm gestures from all of your side. And also a very special thanks to all the students, coordinators.
So this was all about Erudition, and that's a wrap on today's video. This is me, Pragati, and this is me, Chanchal, signing off. Thank you so much for joining us.